What would you say the blues is? You won't do nothing but tell a good man ever take you down. Stop breaking down. Please stop breaking down. Stop, I got a bunch of friends out, baby. It'll make you lose your mind.
Blues is natural fact. It's something that a fella lives. If you don't live it, you don't have it.
If you don't live it, you don't have it. That's what Charlie Parker said about jazz. You gotta live it. Brownie, what's the blues to you?